If you keep my money now and line it up from here now, it will cross Naija bridge on it. Just make me an Zena.
My friend, shut up! Shut up!
If he has made so much money and he wants to impact it in the community, he should build industries, factories, and employ the villagers.
Title or no title, this small boy here cannot execute any project in this village.
You cannot cleanse that title.
His hands are not clean. Egon is spent and I heard the boy goes to know he.
You are not arresting me, you are only inviting me to your station.
Okay, but you ought to move on as you could.
If Taiwan, if you go what a man does not know is bigger than him.
I said it. I felt it and I was trying to tell him, but he just wouldn't let me talk.
Because my boys are not around now, you think that I have said my talks. Mommy, Mama, hi.
Aneko, Eddie Bongo, Ane Bugariego. It has happened.
What do you mean I gave